Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of the Bandsaw Life. I'm here today with Carter Products and I'm installing a stabilizer, depending on what setup you have, onto the Rikon 14-inch saw. Now if you've got the original equipment, well then it has a much larger shaft and you would use a Rikon 2. But since we've got the Carter guides installed, we're going to need a CTR5. So just keep that in mind. If you've got Carter guides on there, you want to order the CTR5. And the way this one works is you just slide that upper guide off. Now underneath, you could slide them back, but it's actually easier to just take them off. That way, when you reinstall your other guides, you're basically not having to readjust all these when you reinstall it, your conversion kit back into the saw. Then we just simply drop that into place. I'm just going to snug it to kind of hold it in place a little bit. And we'll install our 1/8-inch blade. Now remember, an 1/8 inch is going to take a lot less tension, so make sure you lower that tension so that you don't overstretch that 1/8 inch blade. Alright, now I've got the deepest part of the gullet right in the center of the wheel. I've got my tension set up properly. And what we need to do is use a 3/32 one time to loosen that up and slide that over so that it's in line with the blade. So we're lining up the back edge of that blade with that groove. And the easiest way to do that is to bring that forward. That way, when you rotate the wheel with that screw loose, it's kind of self-aligning. Tighten that up. Now, we want to make sure that it is actually sprung load. So I'm going to loosen this up and push the blade forward just about 1/8 of an inch. Just enough to kind of push that blade forward. When I rotate this wheel, that blade is going to come forward on the wheel itself. So I'm going to use my thrust adjustment to bring that blade back. That way it's sprung right into that groove. Now we're ready to test this out and see how it works. All right, now we'll just drop that down just above our work. Safety first. Just like that, about as accurate as you can get. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.